Okay, so I got it all rinsed out. My hair is like smooth like butter. It feels so good. Like I'm just running fingers through it. I can definitely tell the difference. Yes. Alright, so rinsed out my hair pieces. So take off. I'm just going to kind of like point cut it. Ow. Come on. Okay. Because it does need to be layered. You know, I just don't want to make it straight. Especially with curly hair. So yeah. But when you like grow your hair out with it, you really don't even need the whole pack at all. Because my hair is like super thick and it gets me, I get the fullness I like out of them. Especially when I rock with my hair up, which I usually do. Every once in a while, if I got some French braids, you know, and I want to hurry up and do something real cute, I'll have in my real loose French braids that I'll do, and I'll put my clip-ins in over that. So yeah, you just want to get it, dang, look at my part go today. I had it straight for it. It just did what it wanted to do, didn't it? So I just usually mold this down with this. And it's really like, when your hair is freshly washed and you do it out like this, to me it lays so much better because I can mold it down better without any other products being in it. So you just want to like kind of mold it down. These clips, I mean, for real, they have clip-ins on Amazon too. But yeah, clip-ins is life, trust me. Especially if you want to, like, you know, you be wearing your natural hair and you just want to change, you don't want to wear it the same like every day. Get some clip-ins, man. It's like, and today I am using my Design Essentials. But I know it's not going to hold my edges down, but I really don't care. It's late, so this is what I'm putting on. Usually I'll do my Style Factor because it'll hold it all day. Or the other one I got off eBay is good too. Let's see. I don't know why I keep thinking this part. Okay, I got it straight this time. Yeah, these clip-ins give me life. And I am trying something new tonight. Let's see. I got this recoil by AG, and I've been wanting to try it. So, I got this. I don't know if this is the only size coming. I'm assuming they got a bigger size, but I got this because I wanted to try it out. So let's see. Need a little. It's basically define your curls. That's what I got it. So it's called recoil. So, oh shoot. I'm acting like I ain't gotta cut this. I just loaded it back. Okay. Alright. This lay this last one kind of further back, but I'm gonna just scrunch this one up in the back anyway. But before I do that, this piece might be alright. You see how that's hanging? But yes. Oh my god, this is super cute. This is just what I wanted. I'm so here for it. They have clip-ins for every like hair texture possible. So if your hair ain't like close to my texture or whatever, I got these. I think these are like a 3C or something. But I just look and I just get the one closest to my hair texture. But my hair is wet. But they do have like yaki ones that you can wear like with a blowout. They got different color ones. Amazon, like I was like, man, they really are coming through. They don't sleep on Amazon, I'm telling you, because it's a couple of I was looking the other night and there's a couple of units I'm about to get up off of there for real. Cause they for the Lolo too, for their human hair, like I'm serious, because usually when you have human hair that's colored, it's like these websites be taxing for that. And I noticed and they start try to get rid of them on Amazon. So, or you know, it's so many companies now to get rid of, but they're coming on Amazon because they know we on there buying all that hair and stuff. Like if you are blonde, Caucasian, whatever, I mean, go on there if you don't want to go to Sam's Beauty and all that. Which it was reasonable to me on Sam's Beauty if you want some, you know, quality hair. But just read the reviews on there and see what you see. That's what I do. Usually when I read the reviews and I get the wig, I don't usually have a problem with it. So I got a couple of them off of there. So okay, recoil. It's a new product. It's kind of a little bit gooey. Let me get myself right. I think I did all right. Let's see. Put that up a little bit more. Because you got to lift your, you know, with your, it's kind of like if you got a, why can't I think of anything tonight? You know how you do with your blow dryer and you got the curl diffuser on the end of it, but I don't feel like using heat on my hair. I'm just gonna let it air dry. I rarely use heat on my hair. Really, I don't use that blow dryer unless I'm doing my blowout. You know, I'm doing myself a flat iron. So I'm my hair right now. I don't know what. But this, okay. This is cute. Let me get a little bit of it. I don't even think I'm gonna clip any more hair off, y'all. I think I'm gonna leave well enough alone because I'll wait until it dry. But like I said, you want to kind of like when you do these clippers, I mean these scissors, not synthetic scissors, but whatever. They was the closest one to me. You like want to point cut it kind of. You don't want to go just like straight like that, especially with this curly hair. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. It turned out really pretty. I love the color. So I might be actually using this video to do a couple of, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, recoil. She ain't bad. I'm gonna have to put her on my product junkie series. It's got my girls. Big girl. The girls are popping. I'm being silly. Fresh faces. Oh, I mean, yes. Okay, so okay, sorry y'all. I'm black. I'm just black. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. That's what I don't get. Because look, if you want to like behind the ear on one side, I could kind of like mold this down more, which let's see, I don't know, I might just leave it like it was. But yeah, you can take and mold this down, but that's just, you know, if you want to like have one, you know, set behind the ear. But I don't know, I'm not gonna do that. I'm kind of feeling it like this now. Ooh, this is pretty. I'm gonna gel this down a little bit. Let me see. What I might do is yeah, I probably tie my hair down anyway right here. My hair is wet, and by the time I tie it down, I don't know. Let's see. But yeah, this is the finished look, ladies. So yeah, man, the piece for itself is really pretty. It's really natural looking. I mean, all of that. So, and whether I had these, I just had a taste for a bob, and I didn't want to like really wear a wig, but I did my fresh color, so no. And I'm probably gonna have a wig on for a minute. I'm just saying, because I've been missing my, you know, I picked my little natural 4 and took it back to being all dark. So I'm loving it. Plus it's a gloss. When you dye your hair with a gloss, it's just going to it's going to shine. Like, you're going to notice the shine. Like, but even when it dries, it's going to shine more. And like I said, it was all even because that other color had faded out anyway. That was on my end. So yeah, yes ma'am. Yeah, but that'll, let's see. Yeah, I gotta tie this down. I am laughing so much. I'm so sorry. But yeah, thanks for joining me today. You know, it's been fun, eventful. We got through this, you know. So yeah, if you want to add a little something, I'm just, you know, you don't have to do it that way. If you just want to do the color and go, hey, this is where it is, you know. So yeah, it was really fun. So thanks for joining me. Please like, it's gonna get her on going. I'm gonna keep blowing. I'm gonna keep on going until more y'all come on and join me. Go on and hit that like button and go on and hit that subscribe button. So yeah, but I can't wait. I'm feeling this hair. I'm sorry, I just can't stop playing with it. We'll see you later. Good night, and be safe out there, y'all. Wear your mask. You know, I know it's a headache, but just be safe out there. Take care of yourself. Toodles.